My dear husband, you are not just a partner, but my strength, my comfort, my guiding light. Your kindness, wisdom, and unwavering love shaped our family and gave us countless cherished memories. The world you live in unmeasurable, but in spirit life on his own our hearts. Though you are no longer with us, your legacy continue to inspire and guide us so much. You are tribute to Hayana, Niasia, Nana, Renata, what you Tiasia, okay. Tikirayo, Osio Wadi, Kamabuka, Association Kamabuka, Sierra.
Wisdom and love. Your guidance shaped me into who I am today, and your love provided the foundation I stand on. Though you are no longer with us, your spirit lives on in my heart. I cherish the memories, the lessons you taught me, and the countless moments of laughter we shared. You will forever be in my heart and thoughts. I promise to honor your legacy every day. Rest in peace, Dad, till we meet again. From Stephen Marina Nani.
Daddy, you are more than a father. You are my guide, a protector, and my greatest cheerleader. Losing you has left a void that no one can ever fill. Your laughter, wisdom, and unwavering love were the cornerstone upon which our family stood, and the absence is deeply felt every single day. You taught me the value of hard work, and the strength of faith. Your resilience in the face of challenges inspired me to be courageous and to persevere. No matter the obstacles life presents, you lived a life of integrity and compassion, always putting the needs of others before your own. Though you are no longer here with us in person, your legacy lives on in the contrast with memories you created and the lessons you imparted. I see with the way that sun shines in the I need to help you in that tribute to the deceased with a heavy heart, crying for energy. Tribute to my deceased dad. It is with a heart full of love and sorrow that I bid farewell to my grandfather. You are a pillar of strength, guidance, and wisdom in my life. Your unwavering support, kindness, and compassion shaped me into the person I am today. Though you are no longer physical with us, your memories live, cherish every moment, and your spirit will forever be in my heart. Rest in peace, Dad. We will always be missed with love. Tribute to my deceased dad. It is with deep sorrow and gratitude that I honor the life of my dear father. You are a beacon of love, strength, and wisdom. You are kind and shaping my world, and I am forever thankful for the time we shared. Though you are not family. Family meant so much to him. He never traveled and left home for a long time. He lived for others and was always willing to help any creature. He was highly principled and stood firm for what he believed was in the general interest of everyone. He was a team maker, always there for peacekeeping and upholding family ties and friendship. To our father, thank you. Thank you for today and always. May your soul rest in eternal peace. Fafaito Mukuru.
Yes, thank you. Not to Tia Nagare. You get to Tia Sister Walina.
In the stories we share together, just easy, my brother. You are now our guardian angel, watching over us with the same care and love always showed until we meet again. Know that you are forever loved and deeply missed. With all my love, your dear sister Marie.
All of us are candidates. If you go to the especially in the His Excellency, Mutubiyoso Deyana, na Mutubiyoso Deyana Tuwanatumi. Mwanake kumiyongwe, wako wawele tunaka challenge. It is there. Including the FCA. The ceremony in our bread, to the degree here, to Limo, Onas, Yanni, Mono, to Karatama, so, the is a process of already na nitoke na muno weko flow na uthie na mbere gutunyitirira. I'm very sure okorwo uracirete kundu niuronire kwira na challenge MCA, that is your part. The poor family will neka ta family at least bakikura ni wenyaga mwaleke ni mati na hiyo na hiyo ya mimi anayetu for the chance. Let us visit that family. What a chance, what a leader, people family or if they need anything, in the need, in the want, please to together until to